Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 27th of May 2025. So starting with the Forex Factory, uh, tomorrow, which is 27th, we don't have any heavy impact news. We have some medium impact news in dollar, and the heavy impact we have is only JPY, which we are not interested. So 130 we have medium impact, so that won't probably make much difference in the price. However, most likely the market will move technically right. Let's see what's happening on the chart. Currently, we don't have many days to end the month, and as you can see, we have discussed that before. Market is filling up all the monthly gaps here, only gap. So only gaps here wasn't filled. Otherwise, the market is filling all the gaps. So this gap was not filled. So in the future, if we see a bearish trend, it's possible the market can come to this gap. But anyway, let's see what's the situation. It just seems unbelievable the market can come to this level. But anyway, that is a future thing, if it comes to this level or not. And monthly at the moment, undecisive. But let's see. In weekly, what's the situation? Weekly, as you can see, it's bullish, is engulfing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The previous five, it has closed above the previous five closures of the weekly candle, which is highly bullish. And you can see there's a fair value gap here, and looks like market will fill up this fair value gap with 3,300 almost. So that's very important level. And going on to daily, the market has just tried to come down today, and it's still in the bearish mode by the look of it. Previously, market have tested this level here. Right. And going on to 4 hour, clearly we can see the bullish structure here. However, market currently consolidating, and the momentum is very slow. Market did come today to this level, and this is the smaller time frame. As you can see, this level, 1H level, smaller time frame level. So let's see what would be the further implications. Right. So as you can see, the market went to the upside. It's a 4 hour structure. So when we have such kind of structure, this area was broken, and this was broken previously. The structure level was broken. And so 1, 2, and 3. So market gave some smaller time frame. We did have some trade from here, and that's one level. And this is second level. So possibly market can come to this level here, because this level has been broken to the downside. So once it's at first it was respected in smaller time frame. As you can see, this level was respected. We had almost, in fact, more than 100 pips. Sorry, we had more than 100 pips profit from here, as previously was mentioned, and the levels are drawn on the live chart as well. We had a reject, and then from here, if you go in further 15 minutes, you will see some sort of rejection here. So if you go 15 minutes, you'll be able to see rejection from here, and then this double track candle clearly indicates market will come to the downside. And now this is the level. Once this is broken, then we'll see around this area. This is a 4 hour, and in 4 hour you can see that this is level 2 in 4 hour. And we can definitely see market can come into this box. And if you want to extend it in different time frames, you'll see. So at least we can see a good buy setup from here. It's confirming in the smaller time frame. We can take a trade there. But currently, in 9 hours, this is the situation. At 6 hours, so you can see this is the small supply, and probably will bring it down because in 15 minutes there's a half an hour as well. There's a bearish trend, so possibly we'll see some sort of movement to the downside around this area. So that's the analysis for gold today, and you always can use indicators to complement your analysis or when you take a trade, because analysis is something different. And when you take a trade, you look for the smallest possible stop loss and with confirmation. So I use different templates here. I have moving averages. So in 15 minutes, look, the structure was showing here a bearish as well, and moving average crossover and the RSI below 50. So it was easy sell trade. Then this structure level here, you don't need to worry about the moving averages now. You can take a trade on structure. And this fair value, this gap was filled, then market come down. You have a candlestick pattern to confirm that. And then look, this, if you take a partial profit here, next profit here, and then you had a buy trade from here. And now we're looking for confirmation around maybe around this area, then we can sell again. And as I said previously, we can look around this area, we can look for a buy trade. So this is how I do trade, and I do have a live streaming as well, just to show the chart. So this is for gold, and I'll in a separate video I'll do other analysis as well for different other BTC and Ethereum. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.